Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make egusi soup. There are so many ways of making egusi soup and this is just one of them. I hope you like and enjoy. So first thing first, I already have some blended egusi in my bowl. I went ahead and mixed it with onions, scotch bonnet and water. I'm going to leave or list all the measurements in the description box below, so check that out. So now I just went ahead, mixed my egusi until it formed the paste, and then I set aside. At this point, you can just go ahead and subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Please subscribe and like this video. That will help my algorithm. Thank you. So I've added my palm oil to my hot pan. Allow this to bleach for say 2 to 3 minutes, nothing extraordinary, and then add my onions. I allowed this to fry for about 1 minute, and I added the rest of my blended pepper, and I mixed everything together. Allowed it to fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once that was done, I went ahead and added my egusi paste. I broke it down slightly with my spatula and then just kept stirring. You have to keep stirring this, you don't want it to burn. And then after a few minutes, you should have this consistency like that of a scrambled egg. Just make sure you fry it dry. The secret to a good egusi is to allow it to fry. You have to cook your egusi with love and patience. Okay, so I went ahead and transferred it to a bigger pot. You don't have to do this. I just went ahead and transferred it to a bigger pot, added my meat and my meat stock and water. So for this soup, I used some assorted meat, goat meat, smoked chicken. You can decide to use whatever you have at home, doesn't really matter. This was what I had at home and what works for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my dried prawns, which I've gone in from the beginning, but that's okay. It's going to come out nice. So I added some crayfish, stock cubes, and salt to taste. Mixed everything together, tested that everything was perfect, covered it and allowed it to simmer for another 5 minutes. Come on guys, just look at that magic in the pot. Oof. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my kale. That's what I'm using for vegetables. You can use spinach or bitter leaf, whatever you have at home. Just go ahead, mix it all together. Allow the vegetable to cook for about a minute just to soften and get the sauce from the soup. So just keep stirring. I hope at this point, if you're making this soup, you've already gone ahead and made your fufu or eba or whatever you like to enjoy egusi soup, even rice or bread. Yes, I like my egusi and bread. This egusi soup is really nice. Remember, this is not the only way to make egusi soup. I will try and share more recipes with you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye bye.